sector has attracted significant investor interest due to environmental concerns, government support, and substantial investments. Key players in this sector are expanding their assets and capacities to meet India's goal of achieving 500 gigawatts installed capacity by 2030. Foreign institutional investors are investing in green energy companies based on companies' fundamentals. Here are 4 green energy stocks with notable FII holdings. Adani Green Energy. The company, a holding entity for renewable power generation subsidiaries, has an 18.25% FII stake. Shares settled at 928 rupees and 65 paise per share, with a market capitalization of 153,754 crores. Suzlon Energy. Specializing in wind turbine generators and components, the company has a 6.81% FII stake. Shares settled at 24 rupees and 55 paise per share, with a market capitalization of 34,848 crores. NHPC. As India's flagship hydroelectric generation firm, NHPC also engages in power trading and project management. FIIs hold a 7.57% stake, with shares at 50 rupees and 20 paise per share and a market capitalization of 51,230 crores. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy. This global solar EPC solutions provider and O&M operator has a 4.26% FII stake. Shares settled at 378 rupees and 30 paise per share, with a market capitalization of 7,205 crores. The company is supported by Reliance Industries. These stocks stand out due to their significant FII ownership and involvement in the growing green energy sector. Do let me know in comment if you are holding any of the above mentioned share, or if you are planning to buy one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates related to stock market.